Welcome! If you've ever spotted something interesting in real life and wanted to find more about it on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Pinterest's visual search with your camera on Android, so you can discover related ideas in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features. Once you're in, look to the top of your screen and tap on the search bar. This is where all the magic begins. Next, you'll see a small camera icon, right next to the search bar. Go ahead and tap that camera icon. If this is your first time using Pinterest's camera feature, your phone might ask for permission to access the camera. Just tap Allow so Pinterest can use your camera to scan objects or images. Now you have two options. You can either take a new photo of something that catches your eye, or upload an image from your gallery. To snap a new picture, simply point your camera at the object and tap the shutter button. If you want to use a photo you already have, just tap the gallery icon and select your image. Once your photo is uploaded or taken, Pinterest will automatically analyze the image and show you a collection of related pins and ideas. You'll see results that match your photo, including similar products, creative projects, and inspiration from across Pinterest. Take your time to scroll through the suggested pins. If something stands out, tap on it for more details, or save it to your own boards for future reference. This feature makes it super easy to turn real-world inspiration into creative ideas, shopping finds, or DIY projects. That's all there is to it. Using Pinterest visual search with your camera is a quick and powerful way to discover new ideas based on what you see every day. Give it a try the next time you're curious about something and let your creativity take off.